What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. And a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach this song. And yeah, without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Kung Di Rin Lang Ikaw by December Avenue and Moira Dela Torre. So for this tutorial, we will be using a Capo and you should clip it on the second fret of your uke to achieve the original pitch of this song. And of course, always remember to tune your ukulele first in the standard tuning in the G, C, E, A. So in order to play the song, we need to learn 5 basic chords on the ukulele and most of you already know this one. So first chord is the chord of D. Ayan. Next one is F sharp minor. The third chord that we have is a G. And then fourth chord is A. And then for the last chord, we have the chord of G major 7. So kanina, 'di ba yung D? Ayan. This one, this one, this one. Tapos yung G major 7, lilipat ka lang. Ayan. Okay? Baka ano pa, bago to sa inyo na chord. So ito yung G major 7. So now that you've learned the 5 basic chords of this song, D, A, F sharp minor, G, and G major 7, so the next thing that I'll be teaching you today is this strumming pattern. So first thing that you have to do is hawakan mo yung ukulele mo na komportable ka, ganun. Tapos, position mo lang yung first chord natin, yung D, and then dapat, hindi naman talaga dapat, depende naman talaga yun sa inyo. Yung ibang tao, may iba silang style na pagka-strum. Yung iba, ganun. Basta, yung importante is ma-strum mo siya. Pero para sa akin, ganito yung ako mag-strum. Parang ganito. Tapos yung kuko ng index finger ko, ito yung pang down strums ko. Tapos yung pang up strums ko is the thumbnail. So, para siyang ganun. Down, up, down, up, down. And since this strumming pattern of this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. So, magiging, ano siya? Madali lang naman to pag constant practice, ganun. Down, down, up, down, up. And then, again, move to the next chord with the same strumming pattern. So, try natin F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then, lipat to G, down, down, up, down, up. Lipat to A. And then a little bit faster. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ayan. So, alam na natin yung mga chords sa kantang to, and alam na din natin yung strumming pattern. So, let's move on to the song mismo. So, sa kantang to, wala siyang intro. So, diretso na siya agad sa verse 1. So, let's move on to that part. So, magiging ganito siya. Remember this strumming pattern, okay? Yun yung strumming pattern natin for the entire song. Yeah. Kung hindi lang ikaw ang dahilan, pipilitin ba ang puso kong hindi na masaktan? Kung hindi ikaw ay hindi na lang pipilitin pang umasa para sa ating dalawa. So, yun yung sa verse 1 natin, okay? So, yung chord progression doon is D, F sharp minor, G, and A, and then ulitin natin yun. So, bale, twice yun na chord progression sa verse 1. So, ayun. Same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, F sharp minor. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Tapos ulitin mo lang yun and ayan, we're done with the verse 1. So, let's move on to the pre-chorus. So, let's move on to the pre-chorus na part. So, kakantahin ko muna, then I'll break down the strumming pattern after. Giniginaw at hindi makagalaw, nahihirapan ang puso, pinipilit ay ikaw. pre-chorus, the first chord that we have is a G major 7. So, ayan. Same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And then after that one, we have the next chord, which is an A with the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Move to F sharp minor. So, A to F sharp minor. So, ilalagay mo lang yung fourth finger mo dyan. Ayan. Down, down, up, down, up. And para sa line na pusong, pinipilit ay ikaw, we have 3 chords there. And then yung G and A, may different strumming pattern sila. So para sa part na yan, it is a down, 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 up. And then the same with the A, down, down, up. Okay? So di ba kanina yung G major 7, A, and F sharp minor, yung strumming pattern nila is yung tinuro kanina, yung down, down, up, down, up. Pero sa part na pinipilit ay ikaw, we have G and A, and then yung strumming pattern is down, down, up, and then move on to A, down, down, up. Okay? Nahihirapan ang puso, pinipilit ay ikaw. And then just from D. Kung di rin tayo sa huli. So, ayun, after the pre-chorus is the chorus na. So, andito na tayo sa chorus na part. So, para dito, yung strumming pattern is the same na down, down, up, down, up na. So, continue lang tayo. Pinipilit ikaw. Kung di rin tayo sa huli, aawatin ang sarili na umibig bang muli. So, ayun. Yun yung chorus natin. Same strumming pattern, okay? Down, down, up, down, up. F sharp minor. Balik naman sa G. Umibig bang muli. D, up, down, up. Sharp minor. Up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos, after nun is, aawatin ba ang puso kung iibigin ka. Tapos, after ng chorus, we have an instrumental. So, yung sa instrumental natin is yung mga chords ay D, F sharp minor, G, and A. Tapos, same strumming pattern lang din siya. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So, after nung instrumental sa chorus is verse 2 na kaagad. And after yung verse 2 is another pre-chorus and then chorus. So, yung mga tinuro kanina na mga basic principles, mga chord progression and strumming pattern, yun din yung ma-apply nyo sa next parts ng kantang to. And then after nun is we have the bridge. So, let's move on to this part na lang. So, para sa bridge na part, this is almost the same or yeah, parang the same nga dun na chord progression sa sa pre-chorus kanina. And then yung tono niya is medyo similar din. So, let's start with a G major 7. Naliligaw at malayo ang tanaw, pinipigilan na ang pusong, pinipilit ay ikaw. So, parang similar nga siya ganun. Ayan, so G major 7, A, tapos F sharp minor, and then yung kanina din sa pre-chorus, same dun kanina, dito na part, yung G and A na down, 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 up, and then move on to A, down, 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 up. Okay? So, ganito siya. Down, 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 up. So, tatlong down yan. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then, after nun, is an instrumental na D, F sharp minor, G, A and D with the same strumming pattern. So, let's move on to this part, instrumental. Strum lang natin. Same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos, yung last na strum mo ng D. Kung di rin tayo sa huli, aawatin ang sarili. Tama ba? Na umibig bang muli? So, ulitin mo lang yung chorus na part. And, so, that's it guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial na to. And, of course, be sure to check out the chords and the lyrics of the song sa description box. And I put that always on my videos. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, click the subscribe button. Malapit ako mag-30K! Yes! 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 Chill lang. Kalma. And if you have any comments, suggestions, and requests, so you may drop it down on the comment section below. And alam nyo naman, nagbabasa talaga ako ng comments, and as much as possible, nagre-reply ako sa lahat ng concerns nyo sa buhay. And ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, and bye!